Hello friends, welcome to IPCTRD channel. This is Yogesh from IPCTRD and today we are discussing about how to add single and multiple columns using alter table in MySQL. So let's begin. Friends, MySQL alter statement is used when you want to change the name of your table or any table field. Okay, so it is also used to add or delete any existing column in a table. Okay, so the alter statement is always used with add, drop, modify and rename according to the situation. Okay guys, so first of all we are talking about how to add a column in a table. So first we will take care about adding a single column in the table. So we need a syntax to do that. So please note the syntax of to adding a single column in the table. So guys, here is the syntax. You need to note that alter table and your table name that you have already created in the database. So alter table and your table name, then add add new column name, whichever you want to add in the existing table, and then column definition like whatever you want to define, like database and sorry and data type and size of the field, and then where you want to add that particular column. Okay, so like first and after column name, etc. Here guys, we are talking about the parameters. What type of parameters you have to add in that syntax. Like table name, it specifies the name of the table that you want to modify. Okay, new column name, it specifies the name of the new column that you want to add in the column. Okay, and then column definition, it defines it specifies the data type and the definition of the column, null or not null, etc. Then first or after column name, it is optional. It tells MySQL where in the table to create the column. If this parameter is not specified, the new column will be added in the end of the table. It used as a default as a append command. Okay, so it will add every field in the table at last if you haven't defined any order. Okay, so let's take an example. In this example, we add a new column customer age in the existing table customer table. So we have to use a syntax that we have already discussed about. So use the following query to do this: alter table, custom table, customer table, and we have to add customer age, and data type is varchar. Size I have defined here 40, and the restriction we have defined here not null. It should be not null. So you can see the recently added column. How you can see that? So you need to fire another query, that is a select star from customer table. You will be able to see that you have already added already appended a new field in the existing table, that is a customer table. Okay, so it was about how to add single column in the table, and if we want to add multiple columns in the table at the same time, so we have another scenario for that. We have to use alter table, table name, add new column name, column definition, then same order that we have already discussed in previous, and then we have to use comma. Okay, and we have to redefine the line that we have already discussed in before comma. So add new column name, column definition, and again order, and and so on. That means we can add multiple fields in the same syntax. Okay, so let's take an example and find out how it is work. So in this example, we add two new columns, customer address and customer salary, in the existing table, customer table. Okay, customer address is added after customer surname column, and customer salary is added after customer age column. So use the following query to do this. How you can perform the query? You need to put that particular query in command line. Okay, so you have to fire this query like alter table customer table, add customer address varchar 100. I have defined the size of address because it's a address type of field, and the restriction is not null. After customer surname, because I want to this particular field after customer surname. Okay, so then you need to use comma, then add customer salary and integer 100. It's depend on your your field or and your data, that it should be it's depend on the size, and then restriction are not null. And I want this field after customer age, so I have defined here after customer age. So if you want to see that particular changes on your table, so you need to fire this query like select star from customer table. You will be able to see all the changes on the data. Okay, so that's it for today, guys, and to be continue, we are here with alter table command in MySQL. So it's the first part of my alter table, and remaining are the we are covering in next video. So thank you for watching video.